Hi guys!
Hola and welcome to Kim at Home. In today's video we are going to be doing some decorating. So Kari is going to help me. We're going to take down all of the things that were for like spring and summer and go from there.
Subscribe or I'll come to your house.
You don't want her coming to your house, trust me.
It is time to decorate for fall. I decorate very minimally, so right now I'm just taking out everything that I had from last year, and then I'll figure out from that point, once that is laid out, if I need to purchase anything for this year. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M, and you are in my crib. Right now we're in the living room, and I'm doing a little bit of decorating. Before you leave out, don't forget to hit subscribe. Join our family. We're called the Keep Up Crew. We're just trying to keep up with work-life balance and everything in between.
We got some Pussy Willows from Giant Eagle. These are really, really pretty.
On my channel, I like to give tips on how to keep your house clean throughout the week so you're not spending your entire weekend cleaning. There are a lot on the floor. Here's what my background is looking like.
Okay, we're walking, coming into the kitchen. My mom's putting that on there.
I'm gonna see what this looks like.
It looks nice so far. And you know what's cool? If you watched our Christmas video, there behind that is a Christmas one, which is very cool.
Yeah, that is super cool.
On the back of those signs are Christmas signs. That is what she meant.
This one,
And what is inside here?
leaves.
Leaves and pumpkins. Yeah, so we have
I really love to get my kids involved with decorating. That way there's no pressure, there's no stress on me. They can duke it out themselves on where things go. But it also creates those great memories of us doing things together. And one day they'll be sharing those memories with their own children.
What about that over there? One of those. Isn't that cool? All right, sugar mama. How cute is that? So I was just basically trying to hide the cords. However, this is real life, and in real life, I don't hide cords.
This is not even a photo. I'm going to go find some more foam cord. So let's go. Oh yeah, we have to get the wreath. Isn't it a wreath, right? This wreath is so nice. I'm gonna convince my mom to put this somewhere because she said just too many words for like in the kitchen. I'm gonna convince her. Hey mom.
Hey, hey, hey.
Where should we put this?
I don't think I want that.
Really?
Actually, you can put it on one of the shelves over here.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Because I told them that you didn't want it, so I told them I was gonna convince you. Okay, so she was talking about this. Where should I where should I put it? On the
Doesn't matter.
or I'm gonna replace it with the Smash. That's good. That looks nice. Okay, so my mom just put that right there.
Yeah.
I think that looks nice. Wait, my mom's just picking up all of that.
So now it's time for me to straighten up this mess. And the good thing about it is Karia actually likes to clean. Sometimes. Now that all of the summer decor is put away, I need to hang the wreath. And the command strip that I had on the door broke, so I need to replace it. Here are the command strips I'll be using. As with most command strips, you are required to clean the wall off or wherever you're hanging your item, so I'm just wiping it off with a Clorox wipe.
doing dreams, baby. They keep on wearing me out. As far as in the morning.
I did end up going to Hobby Lobby, and this will be like a week later, so I'll show you exactly what it was that I updated. I ended up grabbing this green vase and also a few wicker pumpkins and a bigger green pumpkin.
Either way, it's your way.
Really want to paint that, but my daughter does not want me to paint it. She likes the color of it, but I feel like it just needs to be like solid black at the bottom. Let me know what you think. So my family always harasses me about the way my house smells. It always smells like maple syrup because I use a certain type of wax melt. So I decided to get these gingerbread wax melts, right? I was so excited about it. So my goddaughter comes to the door and she's like, no, I don't like that. I would not want to stay the night here and smell that all night. It doesn't smell like syrup though. She said she does not like the smell of fall, and it really does smell like fall. It smells so good to me. So if you are okay with a fall smell, I got those from Hobby Lobby and they were $2.99. After I switched everything around, here's what it looked like. I do want to add some type of cloth here, so whenever I go to the store, if I pick one up, maybe I will, maybe I won't, I don't know, but I think it would look nice. The candle though, I picked it up from Marshall's. It smells so good. It's another fall smell.
You keep on doing dreams, baby. They keep on wearing me out. They keep on wearing me out.
I am totally obsessed with little red trucks. In this case, there's one orange one and one tealish, aqua-ish one. But anyway, I love the little red trucks. I love them at Christmas time. I love them any time of the year. So you already know I had to incorporate that somehow, some way. Even though they don't match, it doesn't even matter. I forgot about the pine cones that I had, so I added one to this bucket as well. I love the detail of the pumpkin on this. It's really cute.
I tried so hard to let go.
Really tired of how my kitchen looks, so I'm kind of trying to switch it around, and I am actually going to shop my home. The white item I've had for several years, and I like to shuffle stuff around sometimes. So the bakery sign, I think I'm gonna paint that black and hang it back up because I'm just not feeling that aesthetic at the current moment. So eventually I wanna just do my entire kitchen. However, our walls really suck. So it's kind of annoying. Look at all of the nails that you have to, put in there in order for it to just stay up and not fall down. There's like a lot of nails in there, y'all. Operation Patch It Up in full effect. I started off by just taking the farm sign down and the bakery sign, but then I just took everything down. It just kind of spiraled after that. So I'm just gonna patch these holes up, and then I'm gonna hang up another picture, and I'm gonna leave it there for 24 hours to see if I like it.
Out of time.
So before I put this up, I wanna clean it off because it has been in my closet, but I really like this.
'Cause I'm not ready.
Anytime I'm in the process of hanging a picture or artwork, I like to either dust it or clean it off depending on where it's been. If it's at a store, I always clean it off. And then if it's been in my closet, I typically dust it off, but this was pretty dirty. I typically change things around like 2 to 3 times a year, probably twice a year to be honest with you, just to get like something looking different, moving one thing from upstairs to downstairs, or moving one thing from your bathroom to, I don't know, your den or your office. Just like a little refresher. That way you won't get so bored. It is also very cost effective to shop your home. That way you're not out spending any unnecessary money.
You don't get everything you like, yeah. You don't.
It is time to paint, and this is the paint that I will be using. I have not even started yet.
Oh, I'm not gonna lie tonight. You don't get everything you like.
I'm going to try one coat and see what it looks like, and then if I don't like it, I can add more. However, I wanted to point out that it doesn't have to be perfectly painted. My kitchen is kind of like a rustic type kitchen, so if it's not perfectly painted, that's completely fine with me.
Why did I stay? I should be leaving.
So here is a close-up, and I'm thinking that it has like a lot of brown undertones, or it could be the fact that before I stained this, so I stained it with gray. I want to sand this because to me in the house it has like some brown undertones and I don't want any brown undertones, so I'm going to sand this a little bit and change the paint up to just a bolder black acrylic paint. Best thing to do when you're sanding is to either tape off everything in your home wherever you're sanding, like the room you're in, or just take it in the garage, aka Kim's office.
Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again. Let go and let me love.
And of course, before you add any more paint, you will want to wipe it off.
Let me love again. Let go and let me.
Here's what we're looking like, and depending on the look that you're going for, it actually looks pretty nice. Here's the paint that I will be using for the second coat.
Fall out of love as you're supposed to. This was a phase that I was a mistake, but I can't move on with something in these days.
Here's what we're looking like, and you know what? It's a subtle change that I think I needed. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to look in the mirror and love on yourself because you are worthy. Bye, guys.
Let me love again. Let go